11.3, and on this one we are doing negative exponents. Now read the instructions here because the instructions are very important. Instructions are always important. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. And it says do not evaluate, so we're not going to our calculator. Now normally we go the other direction, but if I'm trying to rewrite this with a negative exponent, I'm going to bring that 5 up to the numerator. And when I move from the denominator to the numerator, I'm going to make my exponent negative. So I'm going to enter this in as 5 to the negative 93. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to go 5, and then here inside this box, if I can get to it, I'm going to do negative 93. Now on this one, we've got 15 to the negative 27. This time that 15 is in the numerator with the negative exponent, and we want to know which one is equivalent. Well, if I do the negative exponent and move it to the denominator, make the exponent positive, I do need that 1 in the numerator to hold my spot. So this first one is definitely equal to. This one, that negative throws us off. This one, I moved it to the denominator, so I should have made the exponent positive, and that one just has, this last one just has way too many. So it is that first one. Got moved to the denominator and the exponent became positive. Same thing on this one. We're going to move to the denominator and the exponent is going to become positive. So that one is equivalent to 1 over 36 to the 4th. This one, again, we're writing with the negative exponent. So to pull it to the numerator, I am going to do 9 and then to the, and I'm going to do negative 4. The negative is what pulls it into the numerator, and then the 4 stays there. Now this time I'm going from the denominator to the numerator. Again, once I change that, it's going to make my exponent negative. It doesn't make my number negative, it makes my exponent negative. And I think we have it from there, but let's jump a level just to make sure. That's going to be, okay, this one it says write your answer as a fraction or whole number without exponents. So that's important. Here, I'm going to drop to the denominator and make my exponent positive. I need that 1 to hold my place. And then I'm going to either use my calculator or my powers chart to do 4 times 4 times 4. And that's going to be 64. So 1 over 64. So I'm going to enter this one in as 1, and I'm just going to use the backsplash key, 1 over 64. And then I think we have got it from there. I'm just jumping levels just to see. Oh yeah, let's do this one. So this one, we've got this whole fraction happening. So when I have 1/6 to the negative 2, because that whole fraction is there with the negative exponent, that negative exponent is going to flip the whole thing. Once I flip it, that exponent becomes positive. 6 over 1 is just 6, and then 6 squared is 36. So on this one, I will enter in 36. And I think that should do it. Yep, that should take us there.